Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how to create this smooth, endless scroll animation using Figma. It's simple and easy to create using Figma prototypes. Before we dive deeper, I want to introduce you to an incredible tool that can accelerate your learning journey, WisdomPlan. WisdomPlan is an AI-powered, personalized learning platform designed to guide learners to master new skills with a personalized roadmap. And here's something exciting. It recently won the prestigious IF Design Award 2025. WisdomPlan creates customized learning pathways tailored to your goals, making your educational journey efficient and effective. Let's take a quick look at some of its key features. With just a few inputs, WisdomPlan generates a personalized learning plan in minutes, eliminating the hassle of manual planning. It helps you break down tasks, set due dates, send reminders, and track your progress. You can connect with over 10,000 learners, share your learning journey, and gain insights from the community. And when you complete your plan, you'll receive a certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. It includes a mini portfolio, allowing you to show the works you completed during the plan. Let's go ahead and sign up to see how it works. Once you've signed up, click on New Plan and select Create with WisdomPlan AI. You can also fine-tune your goal with AI. First, describe your current knowledge level. Let's enter Complete Beginner. Next, choose the types of learning resources you prefer. Now, set the number of hours you can dedicate per week. Let's go with 30 hours. Finally, give this plan a name and hit Generate. It might take a moment to process. And there it is, the plan has been generated. Here is the plan overview. On the left side, you'll see a list of tasks. Let's unlock all the tasks to explore the full roadmap. Here, you'll find all the resources you need in one place, from articles to hands-on projects. For example, here's a YouTube video covering UI/UX fundamentals to help you get started. You can complete tasks one by one at your own pace. With WisdomPlan, you get a structured roadmap with all the right resources, so you don't have to waste time searching for them yourself. When you finish a task, simply mark it as completed. And if you don't like a task, you can always regenerate it for a better fit. One of the best features is the AI tutor. If you ever get stuck or need clarification, you can ask questions right inside the platform. Great! You'll find the link to WisdomPlan's website in the description. Go ahead and sign up today. And if you use my code PIXWISDOM25, you'll get 25% off your subscription. Whether you're learning UI/UX design or any other subject, this tool makes the process smoother and more efficient. I'm sure you'll find it super helpful. Now let's jump back into the tutorial. Let's start by adding a frame. Change its background color. Next, we'll add a rectangle. Now place an image inside it. To do this, we'll use the Lummi plugin. Now, let's create 5 more duplicates of the rectangle. Change each image to make them unique. After that, adjust the even spacing between all the images. Now, select all the images and duplicate them. Then, select all the images again and convert them into a frame. Check the width of the main frame, and based on that, set the width of the image frame accordingly. Now, select all the images and move them slightly to the left. Next, create a duplicate of the image's frame. Let's add a ruler for reference. Select all the images in the second frame and move them to the left. making sure that the positions of the duplicate images in the second frame should align with the positions of the original images in the first frame. Now, select both frames and enable Clip Content to keep everything neatly contained. Once that's done, remove the ruler. Now, select both frames and convert them into a component set. Later, we'll add prototyping to this. Let's add some text to the main frame. I've already copied the text and buttons to save time, but let me quickly show you the text styles and colors we're using. Now, let's add a prototype to the component. Link the first frame to the second frame. Set the trigger as after delay with a delay time of 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate for the animation. Set the easing to linear and the duration to 10,000 milliseconds. Next, link the second frame back to the first frame. Keep the trigger and delay time the same as before, but this time, change the animation to instant. Now, go to Assets and drag the component into the main frame. And adjust its spacing. Alright, let's test it out. Guys, don't forget to check the WisdomPlan's website, link in the description. As you can see, it's working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.